Today, I'll show you how to use Jotform tables so you can quickly get started managing data in a clean, organized way. Whether you're tracking submissions from a form, building a simple database, or just experimenting with Jotform for the first time, we'll walk through the basic setup together from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. If you already have an account, you can log in as you normally would. If not, you can create a free account right on the homepage. Having an account lets you save your tables, come back to them later, and share them with others, so it's worth taking a moment to sign in before moving on. Once you're logged in and you're on your Jotform dashboard, look for the option labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the page and is your main starting point whenever you want to build something new in Jotform. Go ahead and click Create. You might see several different options appear, like building a form, creating an app, or other tools. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on tables. From that menu, click on Table. This tells Jotform that you want to create a new table workspace rather than a form or another type of project. Think of a Jotform table as a flexible spreadsheet where each row can represent a record and each column is a field such as a name, email, date, or status. Even though tables often connect to forms, you can also use them on their own just for organizing data. After you select Table, you'll be taken to a screen that gives you different ways to get started. Here, click Use Template. Using a template is the fastest way to set up a table, especially if you're new to the platform or you're not sure how you want to structure your data yet. Instead of starting with a blank table and having to decide which columns to add, templates give you a pre-built layout that you can adjust later. And when you click Use Template, you'll see a gallery of available table templates. These are organized by different purposes like project management, contact lists, event planning, or tracking leads. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a template that's close to what you need. You don't have to find something perfect. You just want a structure that matches the general type of information you'll be collecting. Once you've found a template that looks right for your use case, click on it to preview the layout. You'll see the columns and example data so you can get a feel for how it works. If it seems like a good fit, click Use Template again to create your own copy of that table inside your account. Jotform will open the table for you, ready to customize. From here, you can rename columns, add or remove fields, and start entering data or connecting the table to a form. But at this point, you've successfully created a Jotform table using a template, which is the core process you need to know. That's all you need to get started with Jotform tables. Go to jotform.com, click Create, choose Table, select Use Template, pick the template that fits your needs, and confirm by clicking Use Template again.